እንደምን አላችሁ ወደ ተማሪዎች በዛሬው ዕለት የምናየው የ12ኛ ክፍል የሂስትሪ ትምህርትን ዩኒት 1ን ጥያቄዎችን የፓርት 7ን ጥያቄዎችን ነው ይዘን የቀረብነው። ጥያቄዎቹ በአጠቃላይ 180 ጥያቄዎች ናቸው። እዚህ ዩኒት 1 ላይ የተዘጋጁ ዴቨሎፕመንት ኦፍ ካፒታሊዝም ኤንድ ናሽናሊዝም ፍሮም 1815 ቱ 1914 የሚለው ቶፒክ ላይ የተዘጋጁ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው። ለክፍላችሁ የፈተና ዝግጅት እንዲሁም ደግሞ ለኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም እንድትዘጋጁባቸው የሚያግዙችሁ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው። ሌሎች የትምህርት አይነቶችም እንደ ጂኦግራፊ እና ኢኮኖሚክስንም እንደዚሁ እያዘጋጀን እንገኛለን። ከፓርት 1 እስከ 6 ያሉትን ካላያችሁ እዚህ ዩቲዩብ ቻናል ላይ ማግኘት ትችላላችሁ። ለዚህ ዩቲዩብ ቻናል አዲስ ከሆናችሁና ሰብስክራይብ ካላደረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ እያደረጋችሁ ቤተሰብ ሆኖ አብረን እንቀጥላለን። አሁን ወደ ቶፒኩ እንለፍ። 136 What did the 13th amendment accomplish? A. Guaranteed citizenship to former slaves. B. Established the right to vote for all men. C. Abolished slavery in the United States. D. Ended the Civil War. C. Abolished slavery in the United States ነው። ይህ 13ኛው አሜንድመንት የሚባለው የስሌቨሪን አቦሊሽ ያደረጉበት ማለት ነው። የአሜሪካ ውስጥ የነበረ ሂስትሪ ማለት ነው። 137 What was the primary concern of the Eastern nations? A. The future of the Ottoman Empire. B. The rise of the communism. C. The Industrial Revolution. D. The spread of democracy. A. The future of the Ottoman Empire. የኢስተርን ኢኩዌሽን የሚባለው primarily resolved around the what would happen to the Ottoman Empire የሚል ነው። ጥያቄው ምንድነው? የኦቶማን ኢምፓየር ምንድነው መምሰል ያለበት? ምን መሆን አለበት? ጣፋንታው ምንድነው? አሴትስ ዲክላይንድ ፓወሩ ዲክላይን እያደረገ ሲሄድ ስፔሻሊ እንደ ባልካን ማለት ነው። 138 which country primarily supported Balkan national movements against the Ottoman Empire? A. Russia. B. Austria-Hungary. C. Germany. D. Britain. Russia often backed Balkan national movements seeking to expand its influence in the region as the Ottoman Empire weakened ማለት ነው። ሮማን ኢምፓየር እየተዳከመ ሲሄድ ነው የራሽያ ሰፖርት የነበሩ በባልካን ናሽናል ሙቭመንትስ የሚባሉ። 139 What did the decline of the Ottoman Empire create among European powers? A. Peaceful relations. B. Economic stability. C. Strategic competition. D. A united front against communism. C. Strategic competition. As Ottoman Empire declined, European powers competed for influence and control over its territories. Ottoman Empire decline ካረገ በኋላ ዩሮፒያን ኮምፒውት ያደረጉ ነበር፣ ኮምፒቲሽን ነበረ ቴሪቶሪውን ምን ለማድረግ ኮንትሮል ለማድረግ ማለት ነው። 140 which territories did Russia seek to partition with Austria-Hungary during the Eastern Invasion? A. Bulgaria and Romania. B. Bosnia and Herzegovina. D. Georgia and Serbia. D. Eastern Romania and Constantinople. B. Bosnia and Herzegovina. So the Rich Start Agreement indicates that the territories captured during the war would be partitioned between the Russia and Austro-Hungary. Between particularly እነዚህ focusing on the Bosnia and Herzegovina የሚባሉት ላይ ፎከስ ማድረግ ነበር ዋና እንትኑ ማለት ነው። 141 What event marked the beginning of the Russo-Turkish War in 1877? A. The Treaty of Berlin. B. The annexation of Bosnia and Herzegovina. C. The fall of the Constantinople. D. The declaration of war by Russia. D. The declaration of war by Russia ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ የራሽያ ምንድነው ቱርኪሽ ዋር የሚባለው 1877 ላይ ራሽያ ዲክሌር ዋር ኦን ዘ ኦቶማን ኤምፓየር ሜኪንግ ዘ ቢጊኒንግ ኦፍ ዘ ራሽያ ቱርኪሽ ዋር ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ራሽያ ዲክሌር ያደረገችበት ነው ዋሩን ማለት ነው። 142 what did the treaty of San Stefano achieve for Russia? A. It ended the war with Austria-Hungary. B. It established autonomy for Bulgaria. C. It created a military alliance with Britain. D. It ceded territories to the Ottoman Empire. B. It established the autonomy for Bulgaria. Okay, the Treaty of San Stefano granted autonomy to Bulgaria and independence to Romania, Serbia, and Montenegro. እነዚህ ሶስት እንትኖች ለኢንዲፔንደንስ እንዲሆኑ ወይም ኢንዲፔንደንት እንዲሆኑ ማለት ነው። 143 why did Britain oppose Treaty of San Stefano? A. It favored Ottoman interests. B. It threatened British interests in the region. C. It was negotiated without their input. D. It was too lenient on Russia. B. It threatened British interests in the region ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ይሄኛው ትሪቲ ኦፍ ሳን ስቴፋኖ የሚባለው ለብሪቴን ምንድነው ትልቅ ስጋት ስለነበረ የብሪቲሽን ኢንተረስት ያሰጋ ስለነበረ ኦፖዝ አድርጋለች የትሪቲ ኦፍ ሳን ስቴፋኖ የሚባለው። ሶ ብሪቴን was concerned that the treaty would give Russia too much influence in the southern eastern Europe, threatening Britain strategic interests. ስለዚህ ብሪቲሽ ስትራቴጂክ ኢንተረስቷን በማን ቀማለው ብላ ነው የፈራችው በዛ ሰዓት በራሽያ ማለት ነው። ምክንያቱም የትሪቲ ኦፍ ሳን ስቴፋኖ ለራሽያ ትልቅ ፓወር የሚሰጣት ስለነበረ ማለት ነው። 144 what major change did the Treaty of Berlin implement regarding Bulgaria? A. It divided Bulgaria into two states. B. It unified Bulgaria into a single state. C. It granted full independence of Bulgaria. D. It returned Bulgaria to Ottoman control. A. It divided Bulgaria into two states. Okay, so the Treaty of Berlin divided Bulgaria into two parts. Prevent Russian domination of single Bulgarian states. ይህ ቡልጋሪያን ለሁለት መክፈሉ ማለት ነው። ራሽያ ሲንግል ቡልጋሪያን ኮንትሮል እንዳታረግ እና ዶሚኔት እንዳታረግ ፕሪቨንት ለማድረግ ለመከላከል ነበር ይሄ ትሪቲ ኦፍ በርሊን ኢምፕሊመንት የተደረገው ማለት ነው። 145 which country annexed Bosnia and Herzegovina in 1908? Russia, Serbia, Austria-Hungary, Germany. See, Austria-Hungary. Austria-Hungary annexed Bosnia and Herzegovina in 1808. In 1908, which agreed Slavic nationalists and contributed to the regional tensions. 146 how did Serbia react to Austria-Hungary's annexation of Bosnia and Herzegovina? A. It supported the annexation. B. It sought union with Bosnia. C. It ignored the event. D. It aligned with Russia against Austria-Hungary. B. It sought union with Bosnia. Okay. 147 what alliance did German form in 1879? A. Dual alliance. B. Triple. C. Entente Cordial. D. Warsaw Pact. A. dual alliance so Germany formed the dual alliance with Austro-Hungary in 1879, enhancing the military cooperation against potential threats particularly from Russia ለመቃወም ወይም ደግሞ ራሽያን ኢንፍሉዌንስ ለማድረግ የዱዋል አሊያንስ ነበራት ማለት ነው። 148 which infrastructure project was German permitted to build in the Ottoman Empire? A. Suez Canal, B. Baghdad Railway, C. Berlin Wall, D. the Trans-Siberian Railway. B. The Baghdad Railway. Okay, the Baghdad Railway was significant for German as it provided access to important economic markets and strategic territories in the region. 149 what was the main motivation behind Germany's interest in the Ottoman Empire? Religious conversion, B. military alliance, C. economic interests and rivalry with Britain, D. cultural exchanges. C. economic interest and rivalry with Britain. 150 what was the intent cordial? A. a military alliance between Britain and Germany, B. a resolution of difference between Britain and France, C. a treaty to divide Ottoman territories, D. a pact between Russia and Austro-Hungary. B. a resolution difference between Britain and France. Okay, the intent cordial was agreement that resolved colonial disputes and established cooperation between the Britain and the France in international affairs. 151 what did the Anglo-Russian intent of 1907 achieve? A. it allied Britain and Germany against Russia. B. it marked the end of the British colonialism. C. it settled conflicts between Britain and Russia. D. it divided Eastern Europe among the great powers. C. it settled conflicts between Britain and Russia. So Anglo-Russian intent resolved long-standing disputes and established a cooperative framework between the Britain and Russia. The 152 which major event is often considered as the immediate cause of the World War the first? A. the assassination of the Archduke Franz Ferdinand. B. the signing of the Treaty of Berlin. B. the annexation of Bosnia and Herzegovina. D. the establishment of the dual alliance. C. the annexation of Bosnia and Herzegovina. The immediate cause ሌሎችም አሉ። ይሄ assassination of Ferdinand አንዱ ኮዝ ነው። ይሄኛውም ሌላኛው ኮዝ ነው ማለት ነው። ኦኬ Austro-Hungary, the Austro-Hungary annexation of Bosnia and Herzegovina inflamed nationalist sentiments in Serbia and contributed to the tension leading to the War of the First. 53 what was one of the outcomes of the Treaty of Berlin for Serbia? A. full independence. B. loss of territory. C. increased the Russian influence. D. alliance with Austria-Hungary. A. full independence የሰጣት ነው ይሄኛው ትሪቲ ኦፍ በርሊን ለሰርቢያ ማለት ነው። 154 which country interests were threatened by the responsibility of Russian dominance in the Balkans? A. France, Britain, Italy, the United States. Britain. Okay, the Britain was concerned about Russian expansion into the Balkans as it treated British strategy and commercial interests in the region. 55 what economic condition did the Ottoman Empire face in the 1870s? A. prosperity and growth. B. thriving industrial sector. C. empty treasury. D. increased foreign investments. C. an empty treasury ነው። ይሄ the Ottoman Empire faced financial difficulties including a depleted treasury, which contributed to the instability. 56. What did the term pan-slave nationalism refers to? A. The desire to unify all Slavic people. B. To rejection of Slavic culture. C. A military alliance against the Ottomans. D. Economic cooperation among Slavic states. A. The desire of unity all Slavic people ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ፓን ስሌቭ ናሽናሊዝም aimed to uniting all Slavic peoples ስሌቭ የነበሩትን ዩናይት ማድረግ አንድ ማድረግ እና particularly in the response of foreign control and operations. 57. Why did Austria-Hungary and Britain want to preserve the Ottoman Empire? It supports its military. B. The benefit from trade and strategic positioning. C. To promote democracy in the region. D. To strengthen their own empires. Okay, B. To benefit from the trade and strategic positioning. 58. What role did the press play in the Eastern question? A. It had no influence. B. It spread Ottoman propaganda. C. It reported the Ottoman atrocities to gain public support for intervention. D. It united the European power against the Ottomans. C. It's reported the Ottoman atrocities to gain public support for the intervention. Okay, so the press often highlighted reports of atrocities in the Ottoman Empire, which influenced public opinion and political decisions regarding interventions. 159. What was one of effect of the Balkan War in the Eastern question? A. Strengthening the Ottoman Empire. B. The increased tensions among European powers. C. The unified all Balkan states. D. They lead to the immediate dissolution of the Ottoman Empire. B. The increased tensions among European powers. Okay, the Balkan War highlighted rivalries and tensions among the great powers የሚባሉት መካከል በትላልቅ የዩሮፒያን ፓወርስ ቴንሽኑ ኢንክሪዝ እንዲያደርግ ሆኗል። 160. Which historical event is directly linked to the complexities of the Eastern question and decline the Ottoman Empire? A. The Industrial Revolution. B. World War II. C. World War First. D. The Cold War. C. World War the First. Okay. 161. Which countries formed the Balkan League? A. Serbia, Montenegro, Bulgaria, and Greece. B. Austria-Hungary, German, Bulgaria, and Greece. C. Serbia, Romania, Bulgaria, and Greece. D. Montenegro, Serbia, Albania, and Turkey. A. Serbia, Montenegro, Bulgaria, and Greece. እነዚህ ማንን የመሰረቱ ናቸው? Balkan League የሚባለው ማለት Balkan League was formed by these countries with the goal of attacking the Ottoman Empire. ይሄኛውን ሊግ መመስረታቸው የኦቶማን ኤምፓየርን አታክ ለማድረግ ነበር ዋና ዓላማው ማለት ነው። 162. What was the main objective of the Balkan League? A. To take Macedonia from Turkey. B. To establish a new empire. C. To support the Ottoman Empire. D. To unite all Slavic people. A. To take Macedonia from Turkey ነው። አታክ ማድረግ አንዱ እንዳለ ሆኖ the primary aim of Balkan League was to remove Ottoman control over Macedonia ነው። የኦቶማን ኤምፓየር መቄዶንያ ላይ ያለውን ኮንትሮል ሪሙቭ ማድረግ ነው ማለት ነው። 163 what significant event occurred in January 1913 affecting the peace talks? A. The major battle was lost. B. The coup d'etat by the Young Turks. C. The signing of the peace treaty. D. The assassination. B. A coup d'etat by the Young Turks. Okay. So 1913 ማለት ነው. The Young Turks staged a coup which disrupted peace negotiations with the Ottoman Empire. 164 what did the Treaty of London May 30, 1930 accomplish? A. The ended Second Balkan War. B. It recognized Albanian independence. C. It divided Macedonia among Balkan allies. C. Both B and C. D. Both B and C. Okay. The treaty recognized as Albanian independence. አንደኛው ማለት ነው። and ሌላው divide Macedonia among Balkan allies ይሄኛው። 165 what triggered the Second Balkan War? A. Invasion by the Ottoman Empire. B. Dispute over division of conquered territories. C. Rebellion in Albania. D. Russian intervention. B. Dispute over the division of conquered territories. The Second Balkan War began due to disagreements among alliance over how the partition of the Macedonia. 166 which country attacked Serbia and Greece at the beginning of the Second Balkan War? Romania, Montenegro, Bulgaria, Albania. Bulgaria. Okay, the Bulgaria launched an attack against Serbia and Greece. ሁለቱን against በማድረግ Serbia እና Greece ማለት ነው. Sparking the Second Balkan War. የስፓርክ አድርጓል ወይም ደግሞ ለመነሻ ሆኗል ማለት ነው። ጭሯል፣ ጸብ ጭሯል ማለት ነው። ይሄኛው የቡልጋሪያ ሰርቢያ እና ግሪክን አታክ ማድረግ። 167 what role did Romania play in the Second Balkan War? It remained neutral. B. It joined Bulgaria. C. It allied with Serbia and Greece against Bulgaria. D. It invaded the Ottoman Empire. C. It allied with Serbia and Greece against Bulgaria ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ሮማኒያ ከሰርቢያ ጋር ከቡልጋሪያ ከሰርቢያ እና ግሪስ ጋር አንድ ላይ ሆነ ቡልጋሪያን ለመቃወም ለመዋጋት ማለት ነው። 168 which city did the Ottoman Empire regain during the Second Balkan War? A. Ioannina, Sofia, Thessaloniki, D. Adrianople. D. Adrianople. Okay, Adrianople. The Ottoman Empire took back Adrianople during the Second Balkan War. በሁለተኛው የባልካን ዋር ኦቶማን ኤምፓየር ይችላል እንደገና ጠቀለለች አገኘች ማለት ነው። 169 what was the result of the Treaty of Bucharest? Bulgaria gained more territory. B. Macedonia was divided mainly between Greece and Serbia. C. The Ottoman Empire regained all lost territories. D. Albania was partitioned. B. Macedonia was divided mainly between Greece and Serbia. 170 what was significant consequence of the Balkan Wars? A. Strengthened the Ottoman Empire. B. Increased tension between Austria-Hungary and Serbia. C. Created lasting peace in Balkans. D. Unified the Balkan states. B. Increased tension between Austria-Hungary and Serbia. ይህ አንዱ ሲግኒፊካንስ ነው የባልካን ዋር ማለት ነው። ኦኬ the Balkan War heightened the tension especially regarding territory claims particularly concerning the Albania. 171 what ultimatum did Austria-Hungary deliver to Serbia on October 17, 1913? A. To withdraw from Kosovo. B. To join the Austro-Hungarian Empire. C. To cease hostilities against Bulgaria. D. To withdraw from the Albanian borderlands. D. To withdraw from the Albanian borderlands. 172. What event is considered as the catalyst for the First World War? A. The First Balkan War. B. The assassination of the Archduke Franz Ferdinand. C. The Treaty of Bucharest. D. The formation of the Balkan League. B. The assassination of the Archduke Franz Ferdinand. እንደ ካታሊስት የሆነ አቀጣጣይ የሆነው ሌሎች ምክንያቶችን ቢኖሩ እንደ ካታሊስት ተብሎ የሚታወቀው ይሄኛው ያ ፈርዲናንድ መገደል ማለት ነው። assassination of Ferdinand by a Serbian nationalist contributed directly to the outbreak of the World War First. 173. What role did ethnic cleansing play in the Balkan War? A. It was largely absent from the conflicts. B. It was perpetrated only by the Ottoman Empire. C. All parties committed grave atrocities against civilians. D. It was an act of liberation for the ethnic groups involved. C. All parties committed grave atrocities against civilians. ለሲቪሊያን ያው ትኩረት ይሰጥ ነበር ማለት ነው። ethnic cleansing occurred with various groups responsible for violence against civilians during the conflict. 174. Which major Balkan power sought to expand into Macedonia during the wars? Romania, Greece, Serbia. B and C. D. Both B and C. Okay. Greece and Serbia aimed to expand their territories into Macedonia. ሁለቱ ሀገሮች ናቸው ወደ መቄዶንያ መስፋፋት ይፈልጉ የነበሩ ማለት። 75. Which country was forced to relinquish most of its gains from the First Balkan War after the Second Balkan War? Montenegro, Greece, Serbia, Bulgaria. D. Bulgaria. Bulgaria lost much of the territories gains after being defeated in the Second Balkan War. 176. What did the Balkan Wars reveal about the power dynamics in the Europe? A. The decline of the Ottoman Empire was irrelevant. B. Nationalism was declining force. C. Tensions between major powers were rising. D. European powers were united in their approach to the Balkans. C. Tension between major powers were rising ማለት ነው። ይህ ባልካን ዋር ሜጀር ፓወር በሚባሉት ዩሮፒያንስ ቴንሽን እንዲኖር ውጥረት እንዲኖር እንዲፈራሩ ያደረጋቸው። 177. Who was king of Ferdinand of Bulgaria? A. A leader of Serbian force. B. Ruler who initiated Bulgaria's attack in the Second Balkan War. B. The Ottoman Sultan. D. The Prime Minister of Greece. B. The ruler who initiated Bulgaria's attack in the Second Balkan War. 178. What was the fate of the Albanian after the Balkan War? A. It was made independent state. B. It was divided among the allies. C. It became a part of Serbia. D. It was remixed by the Ottoman Empire. A. It was made independent state. Okay. 179. What influence did Balkan War have on future conflicts in Europe? A. They lead directly to the World War First. B. They created a stable Balkan region. C. They set the stage for World War First. D. They resulted in permanent peace treaties? C. They set stage for World War the First. Okay. Unresolved tension and rivalries from the Balkan Wars contribute to the outbreak of the World War the First. 180. Which ethnic group faced significant violence during the Balkan Wars? Bulgaria, Albania, Serbia, all of the above. Okay, D. all of the above. ሁሉም ናቸው። በጣም ሲግኒፊካንት ቫዮለንስ የነበረ በባልካን ዋር ጊዜ ማለት ነው። ቫሪየስ ኤትኒክ ግሩፕስ ኢንክሉዲንግ እነዚህን ከላይ ያየናቸው ሶስቱን ቡልጋሪያ፣ ኦስትሪያ ኤንድ ሰርቢያ ኤክስፒሪየንስ ቫዮለንስ ኤንድ ዲስፕሌስመንት ዲዩሪንግ ዘ ዋር ማለት ነው። በዋሩ ጊዜ ብዙ ስቃይ የደረሰባቸውና እስከ ዲስፕሌስመንት የደረሱ ነበሩ ማለት ነው። እነዚህ ሶስት ኤትኒክ ግሩፕስ። ኦኬ የፓርት 7 ጥያቄዎች በዚህ ጨርሰናል። ፓርት 7 ብቻ ሳይሆን አጠቃላይ የዩኒቱ ጥያቄዎች ይሄን ይመስላሉ። በሚቀጥለው ሌሎች ሞዴል ኤግዛሞችን እንሰራለን። የ12ኛ ክፍል ኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም የሚያግዟችሁ ሌሎች የትምህርት አይነቶችንም እንደዚሁ ማለት ነው። እስካሁን ያሉትን ከፓርት 1 እስከ 6 ያሉትን እዚህ የዩቲዩብ ቻናል ላይ ማግኘት ትችላላችሁ። ለዚህ ዩቲዩብ ቻናል አዲስ ከሆናችሁና ሰብስክራይብ ካላደረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ ያደርጋችሁ ቤተሰብ ሁሉ አብረን እንቀጥላለን። በሚቀጥለው በሌላ ቶፒክ እስከምንገናኝ ሰላም ሁኑ።